New bars, new grips, the ProTaper, only $9. I already put the one on the throttle to give it a try, and it is super grippy compared to the ones that come with Sur-Ron. So for $8.99, substantially nicer grips. I like them. We'll see how long they actually last. Oh, come on, you. There we go. Alrighty. Kind of perfect. Air. Easy. That's it. Lot. Come on. Whew. Okay. One thing I found, you do this up too tight, your horn gets stuck. I was riding, did a honk, and the horn got stuck. I had to jump down here and pull the stupid wires out. Already set. All good. All right, so right off the bat, feels a lot better. I don't feel like I'm hunched over anymore, which is great. I do like that they are a little bit wider, which is more like my mountain bike. Yeah, bars they're nice. Certainly feels different. Oh, it's a bear there. Yeah. He's coming out this way. Hi, bear. Bye, bear. Yeah, not going that way. Ooh. 3-inch bars, worth it. Yes, it's not something I'd suggest getting right away by any means. First thing I would get, better pegs and a support bar. I don't know if you can see it in there. This, absolutely worth it. Your feet don't slide around anywhere.
first things I got. But bars, they're nice.